Hi, I'm Tanya Reiff.
And I'm Jeff Goodman. We're from Brown Harris Stevens.
And it's our pleasure to welcome you to this fine pre-war one-bedroom at the Manor in the heart of Tudor City. Perfectly nestled in Midtown East's most convenient location, this sunny and spacious renovated one-bedroom was designed for comfortable city living and is the perfect full-time residence or pied-à-terre. The entry foyer has a huge coat closet and leads to a spacious living and dining room with space for an office area. This property has beam ceilings, beautiful oak floors, southern exposure, and a partial park view. The renovated window kitchen has a sub-zero refrigerator, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. The large bedroom can fit a king-size bed. It features 2 closets, and very important for a bedroom, is extremely quiet. And the large renovated bathroom also has a window.
While Tudor City is located in the heart of Midtown East, it has a truly different feel than other New York neighborhoods. Located between 41st and 43rd Streets and built on a granite cliff called Prospect Hill, right above First Avenue, it was built in the 1920s and takes its name from its Tudor Revival architecture, which was very much in vogue for a good number of building projects in the 20s. Discovering the Tudor City parks is like being given a key to a little bit of paradise. It's like a secret garden. It's no surprise that there have been more than a few marriage proposals here. The Tudor City parks are also a special location for filmmakers and fashion shows.
The Manor is Tudor City's hottest building. It has a full-time doorman, a free gym, a gorgeous roof deck with direct river views, a bike room, a ping pong room, and a central laundry room. And if these aren't enough to make Midtown living here so great, there are 2 beautiful parks just outside the building. Maintenance includes electricity, gym membership, and bike storage.
If you'd like to know what makes Tudor City so special, or would like an in-person tour, contact us anytime.
I'm Tanya Reiff.
And I'm Jeff Goodman. We're from Brown Harris Stevens. And we'll see you in Tudor City.